5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, baby, get out of your chair right now. You gotta start moving, baby, let me show you how. Shake it all you got. I don't care if it's a little or a lot. Come on, pretty baby, get up on your feet and dance. I don't mean maybe you'll never get a better chance. Shake everything, because baby, it's time to swing. Rock and roll, lady, how boogie you try. You're gonna feel your rhythm alive. Baby, I'll make your heart beat to the rhythm of the pounding drums. I wanna see dancing feet till the morning comes. Well, it's time to swing, everybody's swaying. Oh, it's time to swing while the band is playing. The night's still long, we'll be swinging till the break of dawn. It's time to swing it now. Rock and roll, lady, hot boogie you try. You're gonna feel your rhythm alive. Baby, I'll make your heart beat to the rhythm of the pounding drums. I wanna see dancing feet till the morning comes. Well, it's time to swing, everybody's swaying. Oh, it's time to swing while the band is playing. The night's still long, we'll be swinging till the break of dawn. Come on, pretty baby, won't you get up on your feet and dance? No, I don't mean maybe you'll never get a better chance. You gotta shake that thing, 'cause baby, it's time to swing. Yeah, the night's still long, we'll be swinging till the break of dawn. So I say, baby, take your time to swing.
The dance is Time to Swing, choreographed by Andrew and Sheila Armour. It's 48 count, 4-worn line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Forward on your right, scuff your left, brush your left over your right, brush your left forward again, brush your left back, tap, tap, kick. Section 2, cross, back, side, kick, cross, back, side, touch. Section 3, grapevine, stepping side, behind, side, together, swivels to your right, heels, toes, back to centre, clap. Section 4, Monterey's to the right. Point and a half to your right, point together, Monterey quarter to your right, point, turn a quarter, point, together. Section 5, jazz box. Cross, back, side, touch, forward, lock, forward, scuff. Last section. Forward, touch, turn a quarter left, side, together, turn a quarter left, step forward with your left, hold 1 count, walk, right, left. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7,